This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eric Wyrosdick. Conveniently located in the center of Sarasota and only a short drive to beautiful Siesta Key. This lovely, maintenance-free, 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa can be found in the highly desirable community of Cinder Gate. This villa, freshly painted throughout, offers an open, airy floor plan with newly installed hand-scraped flooring, 2019, in the living and dining area, tiled flooring in the kitchen, and kitchen appliances, except range, 10 years, installed within the last 5 years. The attractive Florida room looks out onto a beautiful green belt with view of the community pool. The large master bedroom offers room for a sitting area and sports 2 spacious closets with ample shelving. The tiled master bathroom is situated adjacent to a vanity which includes a sink and mirror. The guest bedroom is spacious and bright. The home also features an oversized 2-car garage and a new air conditioning unit, installed in May of 2020. The property is located close to shopping, dining, and Urfer Family Park with a fitness trail. This property will go quickly and is not a 55+ community. For more information, review the details below.